Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as I promised, this is a makeup look for Saraswati Puja. So tomorrow is Saraswati Puja and here I am to help you guys with some makeup look ideas. So without any further ado, let us start. So we will start by prepping our face. First of all, you need to wash your face very properly. You need to remove all those dirt from your face. So मैंने फेस वॉश कर लिया है, फिर मैंने मिसलर वाटर से अपने फेस को अच्छे से साफ कर लिया है. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्किप मिसलर वाटर क्लेंजिंग देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू. आई लव डबल क्लेंजिंग, सो मैंने इसलिए वो स्टेप भी कर लिया. So I'll not put any kind of serum right now. I will directly start by applying my moisturizer. I am using the Bioderma Sebium Hydra. As you all know, I am a big fan of this brand Bioderma because it has helped me a lot to clear my acne and dark spots. So first of all, I'll be putting this. Our next step is, as you all know, a sunscreen. इसके बिना मैं कभी भी बाहर नहीं जाती हूँ and so should you all. सनस्क्रीन के बगैर आपको बाहर नहीं जाना है. So here I am applying the 3-finger rule. So we are done prepping our face. Next step has to be applying a primer. So this is a very teeny primer. So this is from the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. It blurs pores, smoothens base, and it is with vitamin E and jojoba oil. If you have a foundation that includes a primer, then you may skip this. But here I am using because पूरा दिन रहना है. So your makeup has to be on point and it should not melt and it should also look seamless. So I am applying mostly on this part of my face because यहाँ मुझे large pores की problem है. मैं कभी भी आई प्राइमर मतलब एक्स्ट्रा करके नहीं लगाती हूँ क्योंकि उसकी मुझे ज़रूरत महसूस नहीं होती है. So I go with this only. So first of all, I'll be starting with my eye makeup because मैं जब भी eye makeup करती हूँ, it always has a tendency to mess up my whole makeup look क्योंकि वो गिरता है यहाँ इधर उधर. So उसको फिर साफ करना पड़ता है. So I usually start with whenever I do heavy makeup तब मैं ये करती हूँ. वरना अगर कोई लाइट सा मेकअप हो तो मैं फाउंडेशन लगा के फिर आई शेडो करती हूँ. So it depends. So we'll start by applying some concealer. For that I'm using the My Glam Super Serum Concealer, which is in the shade 201 and Fawn. I almost broke this. So कंसीलर का ना एक ही ड्रॉबैक है कि ये बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. अगर आप इसको लगाने के तुरंत बाद ही ब्लेंड नहीं करोगे ना, ये जो पैची दिखेगा ना बहुत ही वो ख़राब दिखता है. सो बहुत जल्दी इसको ब्लेंड करना पड़ता है वरना दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड कंसीलर. कवरेज भी बहुत अच्छा ये आपको देगा और जो शेड मैच है ना वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. वी विल सेट द आईज यूजिंग द स्टेक वर्कीज baking powder. So this is their I Love NY Bay eyeshadow palette and I am not sure about the, oh yeah, this is their Midnight Magic palette. So I'll be taking this brown color, this chocolate brown color first of all. I'll just darken this shade more by using this chocolate brown shade from this palette, Swiss Beauty. This is their dual passport for face and eye palette. So now I'll be using the Makeup Revolution palette, and I will be going with this light brown shade out here, and I will be using a fluffy brush so that it blends well with the dark shade. Now I will be using the Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow palette in the shade range Desert Sunset, and I will be using this shade called Spectacle. Now I'll be using the shimmer in the shade Allure maybe. Yes, I'll just use my hands for this. So now I will take this dark brown shade again and try blending this with the shimmer. So without an eyeliner, the whole look will stay incomplete. So I will very quickly put an eyeliner. For eyeliner, I am using a sketch eyeliner, and this is from Color Essence, and this is their liquid eyeliner, and it is waterproof. This has to be the toughest part. So I will very quickly take this black eyeshadow and try to blend the eyeliner. So I use mix of these two foundations. One is their matte plus poreless foundation with SPF 22 in the shade 230, and this one is in the shade 310. So I mix both and use. Now I'll be using some concealer from Insight Cosmetics. This is their Pro Concealer palette. It has concealer, corrector and contour. So I'll be just mixing these two shades up. set the whole makeup with the Stay Quirky's baking powder. So now I will contour my face, and for that I am using the Swiss Beauty's Ultra Blush palette. It has blush, contour and highlighter in a single palette. So you have already seen how much I have used this shade, and now I'll be using this to contour my face. So for blush, I'll be using the NY Bay Pro palette. So for my brows, I am using the Mars Eye Kit palette. So I'll take the same brown shade for my lower lash line as well. लोअर लैश लाइन नहीं करने से आई लुक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनकम्प्लीट सा लगता है. Now I'll be using some highlighter. I am using the same Swiss Beauty palette and I am using this highlighter. For mascara, I am using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Lipstick, I'll be using this lip crayon. This is from Matte Look Power Lust Lip Stain Crayon, and this is in the shade 22 Saturday Night. Do not forget to apply a makeup fixer. For that I am using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural, and this is infused with aloe vera with vitamin E. Shake the bottle before use. Close your eyes.